In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer, the free version. When it's ready, open it, and if you wish to mute the music right away, click on Consent and tap on the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes. Now you can apply it right away by clicking Set Wallpaper, or you can manage all of its options by clicking on this gear at the top right corner or the previous one at the top left corner. Now you can access all of those options, adjust them, go back, tap on Set Wallpaper and select one of those options. I want to apply in mine or home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!